Hello everyone. Today let us know about the project Alumni Management System. So you can see the zipped file. Let us extract the file. So the file is extracting. So it might take some time as the file is big. So now we can see that the file is extracted and you can see the folder Alumni Management System with the fund donation and student options. So you have the database backup folder which includes the SQL file which is the database, and alumni source code. This includes all the PHP files which are required to execute the PHP project. Now let us copy this alumni source code and paste it in C drive inside the XAMPP folder in the htdocs folder. So let us paste this here. This is because I have installed XAMPP control panel in the C drive. So wherever you will install XAMPP control panel, open that folder and search for XAMPP, then paste it in htdocs folder. Now let us open XAMPP control panel and let us start Apache and MySQL server. So these are the two servers which are required for running the PHP program, and MySQL server is for using the database. Now let us copy the name of the source code. So here the name of the source code is alumni source code. So let us copy this name. Let us open the browser. So I am using Chrome browser here. So in the browser type localhost / and paste the name what we have copied, that is alumni source code. So click on enter and this will open the Alumni Management System, but we have not imported the database. You can see that MySQL connection error. This is because we have not imported the database. To import the database, type localhost / PHP MyAdmin. So this will open the MySQL server. And so this is the MySQL server where we can see the list of databases. By clicking on databases, we can create the new database. So here, anyway we have the database, but we have to create the name of the database here. So let us open the folder and find the name. So the name of the database is here, Alumni Management System. Let us copy this name. And let us paste this in the database name. So paste the name and click on create. So we can see that the database is created and we can create new tables, but we already have the database backup file with us. So let us import that SQL file. So click on choose file, and in the folder alumni with fund donation and students, so in the database backup we have the SQL file. Click on the file, open the file and click on go. So we have to, this might take some time, and the name of the Alumni Management System, that is the database, and the file what we import must be same. So the import is successful and we can see that it includes 20 tables. So there are 20 tables in this project Alumni Management System. So now let us open the project and let us refresh it. So we can see that the project is working, and this project Alumni Management System, this is mainly for handling the alumni of the college. The college management can be in touch with the alumni of the college, as well as the students of the college can also know the alumni of the college here, and the alumni can donate fund for the college, and here the old alumni as well as the present college will be in contact. Admin is the one who monitors the entire web page. So let us log in as the admin. The admin must log in using the username and password. So let us open the database, and in the table TBL admin, so here we can find the email ID and password of the admin. Let us copy this and paste it there. So the email ID is admin@alumni.com and the password is admin. Let us add the username and the password and click on login. So once clicked on login, we can see that welcome Ankit, that is the name of the admin here, and these are the different menus available for the admin. So in my account, under change password, so here the admin can change the password. Whenever the admin changes the password, it will be reflected in the database. In new admin, so here the admin can add the other admin. So the system can have any number of admins but the main admin will add the other admins. To add the admins, they must give the email ID and the password details. So we can see that this is now reflected in the database. In manage course, here the admin can add the different courses that are available in the college. So what are the courses that are available in the college that can be added here, and once it is inserted we can also view it there. So whatever we added, it is available to view, as well as the admin can delete if any of the courses are closed. So now for timing, let us log out from the admin and let us make the registration of a new staff. So the staff must make registration, and to make the staff registration they must enter all their details, that is what is the full name, what is their qualification, and their date of birth. They must select the date of birth from the calendar which is available when they click on the database date of birth. Then they must enter their designation, then the date of join, that is on which date they have joined the college. Then the staff must mention their address details, their contact number, then the photo of the staff must be added. So here I am just adding a dummy photo. The email ID must be entered and password and confirm password is entered. Then clicking on register, the staff will be registered successfully. On clicking on login, by selecting the user type, there are 3 user types: alumni, staff and student. The staff can log in by entering their username and password. So by clicking on login, they can log into the website, but we can see that invalid credential. This is because once the staff registers, the admin must verify their account. Only after the verification of the admin, only then the staff or any of the users can use their account. Now let us open admin and let us go to verify staff. So we can see the staff details here, and by clicking on approve, the staff will be approved. By clicking on deny, the staff record will be deleted. Now we have clicked on approve and we can see events and gallery. So about gallery, we will update it in a staff account. So let us log out now. Let us log in as the staff. So the staff will log in using their username and password. Username is the email ID they have given at the time of registration, and password. So still we are getting invalid credentials. So let us view the database, and we can see in the database that instead of Gmail we have written Gmail. So let us make the changes in the database. So we made it now Gmail. So let us copy this. So we have to be very careful when we make the registration. Whatever we enter, we must remember it properly. So now we can log into the staff account, and under jobs, and these are different menus available for the staff. There are very limited menus available. So here in update profile, the staff can update their profile, and under change password, the staff can change their password. So here in view gallery and update gallery, so by clicking on update gallery, here the staff can add the different event photos, but the events will be added by the admin itself. The photos for the events can be added by the staff as well as the alumni. So once the photo is uploaded, we can click on update gallery, in view gallery, So there the photo, whatever is posted by the staff as well as the alumni can be viewed. In view events, now we can see there is no upcoming events. And in jobs also, this should be added by the alumni. The staffs and the students can view, but the students can apply for the job. Under office bearers, the different office bearers of different regions can be viewed here. These are added by the admin. So the staff has the limited access, limited authority. They can only view most of the features and only they can upload the photos to the portal. Other than that, they only have the option to view the different details. So this is about the staff account. Alumni is the most important user of the web page. So let us make the alumni registration. The new alumni must make the registration before they use the web page. To make the registration, they must enter their name, the profile photo must be chosen, then the gender must be selected, and date of birth of the alumni is needed, and their email ID, contact number, and what is the pass out year, and what is the course they have done in that college, and what is the present occupation, what are they working, and their address, and where they stay, what is their region. And the alumni can also include some message, and then the password and confirm password must be entered. On clicking on register, the alumni will be registered successfully. Now the alumni cannot log in before the admin verifies them. So let us log in as the admin. So the default admin username is admin@alumni.com. So once the admin logs in, under verify in alumni, so here the admin can view the alumni and they can approve or deny. So we have approved. Now the alumni can log into the web page. Under events in add, so here the admin can add the different events. So if there are any upcoming events to be celebrated in the college, that can be added here by selecting the title, that is what is the event title, what is the event about, and about the location where that event will be conducted. Then the event date. So event date, we cannot set the date which is already over. We have to set the future date, and the time and description. So description about the event can be written, that is who are invited or at what time, till what time the event will be held. So all that can be written here. Then by selecting on status as active and clicking on submit, the event will be added, and this can be viewed under view update. So here we can see 4 events, but all the other 3 events are already done, so it is not available to view for any of the users unless the admin. So in regions, here the alumni can add the different regions so that the alumni, whoever make the registration, they can view those, they can select those particular regions. In add office bearers, so here the office bearers are those alumni who stay in different regions, so that they can be in contact with the different other students or other alumni who stay in those particular regions. View or update. So here they can view the different office bearers, and the admin can delete them. If they no longer want to be the office bearers, then the admin can delete them. So about job posting and training. So under training, the admin can add the training sessions and different alumni, if they wish to participate on the training sessions, they can participate by clicking on the button participate in their account. So let us see how it works here. So the admin must add the training details. So they must enter the topic, that is on which topic the training will be held, and who are the students who can take part in this, that is for it is related to which course, and what is the training date, what is the training duration, and where is the venue, that is where is the training will be held. All these details can be included. And what is the last date for participation? The alumni must enter the participation, or they must accept that they are going to take part, so that the college management can arrange for their arrival. So there is some last date for participation. Then whom they can contact, that is if you want to know further details, whom you can contact. So the reference name and reference contact must be added. So under view update, here now the admin can view the training details, and under view participants, by clicking on view participants, they can accept the participants who wish to attend the training. So this is about the admin. The events can be viewed by anyone who visits the web page. So anyone who opens the web page, they can view the events that happen or that is to be conducted in the college. Under gallery also, whatever the photos are posted by the staff or the alumni or the admin, that can be viewed by everyone. Under login, now let us make the alumni login. We have already verified the alumni through admin. Now let us make the alumni login. So the alumni must log in by entering the username and the password which they had given at the time of registration, and user type must be selected as alumni. So this is the alumni account, so where alumni can view the events, and by clicking on read more, they can view more about it. Under friends, they can view their friends. They can view other alumni, and they can also select by their occupation or by region or by batch. Under jobs, so there is no job openings. There is an option for the alumni, that is post job. Here the alumni can add the job vacancies if there is any availability, and the students or the other alumni who visit the web page, they can apply for the job. So all the details about the job must be entered, and what is the last date for applying for the job, and by clicking on post, job will be posted. And under jobs, we can now view that there is one job and there is a button apply. So by clicking on the apply button, anyone can apply for the job. Under office bearers, here the alumni can view the different office bearers, and they can also search for the office bearers, and they can know the details of those office bearers. Under training, now here we can see the admin has posted the training, and by clicking on participate, the alumni can take part, but here we can see the status is pending. That is because the admin must approve, only then the alumni can attend the training. Under fund, here fund donation as well as view funds, that is how many fund is collected from the college, who are the different people who donated, all that can be viewed by the alumni, as well as the alumni can raise the fund. They can also donate the amount to the college. So when they want to donate the amount, they must enter what is the amount they are going to donate, then remarks, they can add any remarks, and the payment type, through which bank, what is the card number, what is the CVV number, card expire month and the year must be selected. Card expire month and card expire year must be selected. Then by clicking on pay now, the payment will be successful, and under view fund payment, the alumni can view the payment made by them. In view utilized fund, so here the total amount utilized and what is the balance amount left, all these details can be viewed by the alumni, so that the alumni will know about the college expenditures and for what their fund is used by the college. All the details will be known to the alumni. Under gallery, here the alumni can know the alumni can view the gallery, that is view the different images or photos, and they can also upload the photos. For example, if the alumni is staying abroad in some region and if they conduct any of the functions there, then they can post the photos to the gallery so that all the other alumni can view it. So in view gallery, now we can view the photo that was posted by the alumni. Now let us log out from the alumni. Now let us register as a student. The student must make their registration to use the web page. So they must mention their name, their date of birth, gender, then photo must be uploaded, the email ID of the student, the password of the student, and confirm password must be entered, and the course, semester, and their address must be entered along with the contact number. So on clicking on register, the student record will be inserted. Here now the student cannot make the login, that is because the admin must verify the student. So let us log in as the admin. So once the admin verifies, now let us go to verify and click on student. So the admin must approve the student, only then the student can log into their account. Under fund in view collection, so here the different funds donated by different students can be viewed. So we have donated the fund under alumni, so we can view that here. Under fund investment, so here the admin must mention for what reason they have utilized the fund donated by the alumni or the students. That is, they must mention the utilized amount and for what it is utilized. They cannot change the collected fund and the available amount. So once the record is added under view investment, the admin can view the investment details. So that even the admin cannot delete these details. So this can be viewed by all the alumni. In job posting, now whatever job is posted by the alumni, that can be viewed, and even the admin can delete the job details. Under training, in view training, so we have already seen about adding the training. Now we can see by clicking on view participants, there is one participant and status is pending. If you click on select, the record will be updated, and now we can see that the student status is selected. So now let us log out from the admin and let us make the student login. The student must log in by selecting the user type as student, then the username and the password which they have provided at the time of registration. So the password and username, that is the email ID what they have given at the time of registration, that must be used for the login. So once the student logs in, the student panel is available to view. So here under events, the student can view the events that to be held in the college, and they can also view more about it. In jobs, the student can view the job uploaded by the different alumni, and if they wish to apply for the job, they can click on apply, and the job form is available where they must make the entry for the application form. So here they must fill the application form and they have to apply to the job. That is, here they must mention their name, their contact number, their email ID and cover letter. So if they want to convey anything to the job provider, they can write in the convey letter, and they must upload their resume and then click on apply, and this will be sent to the particular job provider. Under friends, the students can view the different alumni as well as different students. They can also search by pass out year. In office bearers, they can view the different alumni office bearers, and they can know who are the alumni office bearers of their region. In view training, so here the student doesn't have to accept, because since it is conducted in their college itself, it is open for them to attend it. Under fund, here the student can also view the fund investments and the fund donations, and they can also raise the fund. Here the student can also raise for the fund. So for the betterment of their college, they can also raise the fund. In gallery, here the student can view the photos posted by the alumni as well as the staff. And in my account, in update profile, the student can make update to their account, and in change password, they can make changes to their password. So this is about the student. Now let us log in as the alumni. So the alumni must enter their username and password which they had provided at the time of registration. So once the alumni logs in, so we can view the different menus of the alumni, and here in training, the alumni had click to participate. Now we can see that the status is selected, which means the alumni is accepted by the admin to take part in the training session. So now let us log out from the alumni. So this is about the project Alumni Management System, where the admin monitors entire web page, and alumni, staff and the students are the users of the web page. So thank you for watching the video. For further queries, kindly visit our website. Thank you.